Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone using the Facebook, okay, and using Instagram. So where you can using most of the people using for mobile version, but we are using for desktop. How we can posting for images? How we can posting for photos or videos? A option will be there. So in this purpose, one of the management tool will be given by the in a mobile and desktop. That option is called Facebook Business Shoot option. So when you open from any kind of Mozilla option, when you open your Facebook page with integrate Instagram, the option will be called manage your page and Instagram account together with the business shoot option. That is called go to business shoot. This is one of the main tool for Instagram and Facebook. So what we do in this option? In this we can posting images, videos on at a time will be Facebook and Instagram without using for Facebook Creator Studio. Some people don't know about the Facebook Creator Studio. So if you know about that, we can use that option also. And this one is the second option is called Facebook Business Shoot. This option is eligible for mobile users and desktop users. What is the purpose of? At a time we can posting image and video, Facebook and Instagram. Suppose if you have post the video on Facebook, Instagram, we have to post 15-second video, not more than 15-second video. Simple. Start create post. You can do watch properly. Now here what we can create photo, add video, create a video option is there. Now first of all, I have to add the photos here. Instagram, Facebook, the better size will be here. The option will be selecting option in this 500 by 500, a better size will be Instagram. So I'm adding for both, one image is better to show your first of all Instagram and Facebook purpose. Any size is okay. But if Instagram posting especially 1080 by 1080 or 500 by 500, that pixel we can select it. So where you can design the size. Simple. Go to option name is called canva.com. In this Canva, select your option will be Instagram 1080 by 780 or 500 by 500. Both sides will be flexible. After that, I have to post the content. After post the content, I'll show on Facebook and Instagram also. In this publish, they will be published for Facebook and Instagram also. After posting, I'll show this options. This done or not. Here we can checking for engagement. Every option will be given in the particular Facebook business shoot option. And here one option is there. So already creator studio is there. Why you can using for business shoot? Especially what are the posts you've done and messenger, inbox, and your particular every option will be shown to the customer will be here. That all message will be read on the particular option. Now 22 hours back. Now you can go to refresh. So just now you have posting done. They what show? Just now will be posted done. The show option will be here. And you can go for it. Last post here. Now we can refresh. The show your option will be there. So this is nothing but your post will be done at a time Facebook and Instagram. And what are the posts you've done? Everything will be here, inbox, ads, inside. Everything you can check for your particular option. More tools will be there. Ads manager, audience, billing, business settings, everything is there. But in this business shoot, we have to post a content at a time, image and video purpose. Now, sir, image will be posting done. Can I post the video also? Easily you can upload the video also will be there. So now I'm adding for video will be here. After adding video, all I intimate the video will be less than 60 seconds. I mean by you maintain the 59-second, 50-second, anything will be possible. Now I'm upload the video. So After that, now you can go for refresh. You have to take time to the post the content. Facebook business shoot. At time we can upload for one image, multiple image. One video we have to uploading for Facebook and Instagram also. So this one. So posting is done. So video little take time to upload the Facebook business page. You need to patience required when using for Facebook business shoot option. Recently, some people asking one question. So my Chrome is unable to find out Facebook business shoot option. No worry about that. We can using Mozilla data supporting for Facebook business shoot. Video is done. Now here is the last post. Now you can go for refresh. The video will be shown to the customer where a particular Instagram and a particular Facebook also using for Facebook business shoot option. I'm already intimate. If anybody not find out the Google Chrome Facebook business shoot, we can change browser from Mozilla. That definitely will be support. Facebook Creator Studio will be uploading purpose we can use and Facebook business shoot also. But in a Facebook business shoot, we can creating ads, the particular page, insights, and inbox messages, and every activities we can check on by the in a particular option. Who can like your messages, everything. So this all will be find out where in a particular option name is called Facebook business shoot option. We can use this feature desktop and mobile also. So easily find out the post the content on the using Facebook business shoot option. Any further assistance required, you can always ping me on the particular my YouTube channel account. I always supporting for how to using Facebook business shoot, how we can find out, how we can activate your particular post, and how to integrate Facebook to Instagram. We always support with you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.